Hi. So today I will talk about more of escalation. So what is escalation features in Camunda? So escalation is nothing but sometimes something happened, and if we want to give some alert to users, and simply we want to continue the process, we don't want to terminate or end the process because of some reasons. So if we take an example here, so once the order requested occurred, so here we are placing an order, and once the order is shipped in less than 2 days, then no problem, no worries. Simply we can proceed and we can receive the goods and ship. The user will ship the order and order delivered. But sometimes it happens ki the shipment will take more than 2 days. So in that case, just we want to notify to our customer ki that shipment will take more than 2 hours, so in this way, a customer will not wait for us. So sometime any any reasons come, right. Sometime rain, due to the rain, the shipment delay. So that time we just want to notify. So what will happen here? We are checking a conditions. It will take more than 2 days. Then just late shipment escalation fire, and it will come whenever this is like a throw. So the throw escalation event will fire. Here it will come and catch the escalation event. So if you see in property panel, the name escalate ship, the same name we need to write here, escalate ship. So in this way it will throw and it will come into catch, and once the catch, whatever operation we want to perform, so here simply I am informing a customer key that shipment will be delayed, it will take more than 2 days, and then I want to end, then it will end the process. So here it will not end the process, it will just end this task, and again the control will come here and it will receive the good, and once the shipment will done, it will receive the good, it will ship the order and order will deliver. So here we are not we don't want to end the process, we just want to notify or alert customer that shipment is taking this much time. So in this case we can use a feature of escalation in this way. Same way, if the shipment will not happen, like not even more than 2 days or not even less than 2 days, so shipment is not going to happen due to some reason, then here we are canceling, matlab we are ending an error. If you see I am ending an error, automatically this is my throwing error event, and event, as soon as this will fire it will catch over here. So if you see, this is my end event and the name error ship. So the here the name is number of days. Here we have created a dynamic. So through expression we created an error code name. The same name we need to write here. So if you see, the error code name will be same as this. So whenever this three will fire, automatically this will fire and it will remove the product. Whatever the order already pays, it will remove the product from their database, and then it will end the process. So the main difference between escalation and error, escalation is when the escalation will fire, it will come over here, it will execute this, and again after ending this, it will execute the next step, that is a receive good. But whenever the error occurred, in this error, the control will come over here, it will remove the product and it directly end the process. So escalation will not end the process. It will start executing, just alerting a customer, and then it will start executing the next step. Error, basically it will remove the product and it will directly end the process, or it will end the process. So the execution will end. So the main difference you got right. So this is just an alert, and again you want to continue the process next step. In case of error, simply whatever the action you want to perform, you are performing an operation and simply end the process. So if I give you other example, so in this way again, start occurred. Here the product procurement sub process will call. Once this, then ship will order, and after the shipment order, we just notify. We just want to give notifications to the customer. So the control will come over here, and it will inform the customer that the shipment started, and it will in this. Intermediate will end, and after that again the control will come to main subtask and then end the process. I hope this is clear. Yeah, thank you.